Howdy! Welcome to Aspire Mountain Academy. I'm Professor Curtis, your instructor for this course in Introductory Statistics. In less than 10 minutes, this video describes the proper use of confidence intervals when conducting hypothesis testing on a standard deviation value. Let's get started. So you may recall earlier when we looked at proportion hypothesis testing, we saw that confidence intervals don't always match up with the results of the formal hypothesis test method that we've been using. And then we learned that that's not the case for the population mean. Well, that's also not the case for hypothesis testing on the population standard deviation. So it's okay to use confidence intervals for the standard deviation and the population mean. You're going to get the same result out as you do for the formal hypothesis test, where you use the p-value with the significance level alpha or the test statistic with the critical value. However, that's not the case with proportions. So proportion is going to be our odd man out here. So confidence intervals on population mean or population standard deviation, just as reliable as the formal hypothesis test for testing a claim. And again, the confidence level is going to be 1 minus alpha, where alpha is the significance level. So the confidence level for your confidence interval, 1 minus alpha. Sometimes you're given the confidence level for your confidence interval, but more often than not, you're not. So this is how you calculate it, 1 minus alpha. And that brings us to the end of this mini lecture. Hope you found it helpful. You can find more mini lectures for this and other courses at AspireMountainAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.